Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am coming in here. I just came by Home Depot real quickly just to check their stuff out. See guys, I was talking to you about this, how I could have just got a big one from here and used it. Yeah, they're not that expensive, I guess. If I'm not mistaken, this might be $5. I can't tell because their prices are kind of, you know, mixed up there. Oh, where do they have this? Is it the whole thing? That's pretty cool. So how much is this? I don't know how much this is. Like, where does it go? Railing kit. Railing kit, but I don't see more. Where are these? Railing kit. Let me see. That's pretty cool for people that don't have a lot of space. That's cool. Let me ask about that, but they don't know where there's more. But guys, Easter's here and they have some really beautiful arrangements. For how beautiful they are and how many plants they come in, $20, I think that's a good price. And they have some really nice looking plants in there. You got to get them early. You got to get them as soon as they start putting them out because they're nice right now. And you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants for $20 and a pot. That's a pretty good deal, you know. $5 a plant, that's what you pretty much pay anyways when you buy them individually for some of them. And look at this one. I love this. I feel like it's something that you would see in the water. Like, this is beautiful and it's $10, guys. I love it. I love this color. I wish if I bought this and I wish it could be indoors just like this, but it can't, so that I can look at it all the time. Here they have the 5 for $10. Again, look, Echeverria print. So if you want to add to your collection in an inexpensive way, this is a good way to go. Yeah, let me just give you an overview. And those down there are also $20. Same thing. I see about 5 plants in each, so that's really good. And let's look over here. Here is making it hard for me to record because I'm always concerned about having to put an overlay over it. Anyway, so good morning.
Debbie.
They got in new plants. The ones that stand out to me that are different is this one. Never seen that before. Yeah, I think that's about it. The only one that's like, oh, that's new. I haven't seen that. But the rest, maybe this one, is this like a mini jade? Look how tiny that is. It's an elephant bush. Oh, it's just so tiny. Okay, cool. That pot that said for railings, that's $4.98. That's a good deal because you get it already with a whole kit and it's a pot ready to go. And you could just, you know, place it wherever you want. And if it's too sunny in that area, it's very easy to shift over. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just showing you this. Guys, I really want to start collecting all the ones that are within the same family of this one. So this is a tomentosa, and then this is a teddy bear one, and I know they have a cinnamon one because I have it at home, and they have the panda one and the chocolate one. But yeah, I really want to start collecting that, but I'm not sure I want to buy that right now because let me show you what I want. Oh my gosh, guys, this is an awesome deal. Anyways, let me just show you these real quick. That's beautiful. Beautiful baskets. The baskets are 20 bucks, and again, they're packed. They're beautiful. You got to get them early while they're putting them out now because they look really nice right now. But let me show you guys what I want. Guys, can you guess how much this is? Just guess. You see how big those plants are? You see what's in there? What is that? What is that? That is the raindrop, which I've never seen like them selling them on their own. And there's another one. There's this kind too. There's this kind as well. Guys, this is $35. Are you kidding me? $35? I'm getting this. I'm getting this and saying happy Easter to me. And I'm gonna get it, and I'm just going, here honey, give it back to me, thank you, you're so awesome. And that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna pick one out, and then the problem is, okay, so let me see. The problem is, so the one that I really like has the type of Kalanchoe that I really, really love. Oh yeah, it does it have a raindrop? Let me see. Oh guys, does it have a raindrop in there? I don't have that one, so let's see. But my problem as well is that I like that, I don't know, I would call this like a type of aloe. I don't have this, so I really like that one as well. I don't think that's the raindrop. I think that's the same one as this. I'm so unsure. Okay, so this one has the raindrop. Oh, this one has some of the Kalanchoe that I like, and this Kalanchoe. And I really like this one, but it only has 1, 2. I have to look at which one is the best one, and I'm gonna choose, and then I'll show you guys what I got. So out of all of those, I kept coming back to this one because of the raindrop. And I believe the other Echeveria was a different type of Echeveria. It's more warty. This is definitely raindrop, and also this type of pink aloe I really like. So I just kept coming back to this one. So this is the one I got. So I'm actually gonna, I'm thinking of taking this apart and putting another arrangement together. And yeah, anyways, I feel like I needed to, just so that I get more drainage, so that I don't lose these beautiful Echeverias. So yeah, I'm excited to do that, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you're able to find this at your Home Depot. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.